So I'm thinking about, in the not too distant future, doing some machining on my sawmill carriage for the Frick sawmill. One of the issues I have is the knees have a lot of play to the point that they sit cockeyed this way. It won't actually hurt anything in use, but I would like them to be stable. And that has resulted in the L's. There's actually a ridge here where it's worn down in the middle. That one you can really tell how much slop is in them. My idea is to machine the bottom of the knee flat and square to this surface here, and then get new steel for the L's. Weld that up and make sure everything's in plane and flat and nice.